Van W. King sings The Secret Cairo. I will sing you a song, and it won't be very long, about a maiden sweet, and she never would do wrong. Everyone said she was pretty, she was not long in the city, all alone, oh what a pity, poor little
Nandiyan na pala kayo, Victor, Edward, anak ko. Kamusta ang eskwela?
Ayos lang po, Nay.
Oh, mukhang may bitbit ka yata, Victor.
Hahapunan, Martha.
Mabuti, ipaghahanda ko na kayo ng hapunan. Maupo muna kayo.
Was engaged as a picture for to pose to appear each night in abbreviated clothes. All the dudes were in a flurry, for to catch her they did hurry. One who caught her now is sorry, poor little maid.
Oh, ito na ang pinakahinihintay niyong paborito nating ulam, ang dinuguan. Nagugutom na ba kayo?
Opo.
Mukhang ang sarap nga ng karne, parang bagong katay. Saan mo ito nabili?
Mukhang hindi nabili ni Natay.
Tama,
binili.
Ano ang ibig mong sabihin? Teka, saan ka ba nagtungo kanina?
Wala. May tapos na akong tao na may atasa sa akin kanina.
Everyone said she was pretty, she was not long in the city, all alone, oh what a pity, poor little maid.